competition is like a puzzle. The more you solve it, the better you become. Well, I think all the participants present here would like to become far better by solving far more questions. A warm good morning to all the participants, my team and our inquisitive audience. Welcome to GBC Updates, the Battle of Brains Quiz Series 2023. This is Paramveer Jagat and I am extremely elated at how so many young faces are determined to mark their territories through their brains. Well, brains are their true beauty. It gives me immense joy in introducing my team and all the participants of today's contest. We have Mr. Amit Mahajan presiding over today's contest, Ms. Lavisha as an event regulator, and last but not the least, Mr. Jitendra Prince behind the camera. Now, let's have an introduction of our contestants. Contestant number 1, Livanshu from Chaudhary Balbir School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 2, Jaskaran from Chaudhary Balbir School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 3, Dona Kapoor from DAV College, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 4, Varun from Chaudhary Balbir School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 5, Sonal from Chaudhary Balbir School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 6, Sanchit from DAV Collegiate School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 7, Yash from Chaudhary Balbir School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 8, Anvi from Chaudhary Balbir School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
So, hold your breath for some time and let's have a glance at the rules of today's contest. Out of 8 contestants, only 3 will be shortlisted for the silver chair round. 8 questions will be asked in the first round. In the first round, the one who presses the buzzer first will get the chance to answer the question. Contestants will then be selected for the silver chair. Understood, contestants? So contestants, be ready, be smart and be motivated. Ready? Yes. Judge Saab, shall we begin?
Begin.
The battle of brains start. Your first question is, arrange the following presidents of India in chronological order. Number A, S. Radhakrishnan, B. V. V. Giri, C. S. D. Sharma and D. Gyani Zail Singh. Presidents of India in chronological order. Dona. Yes. The first one to press the buzzer. What's your answer?
Sir, first is Radhakrishnan.
Okay.
उसके बाद ज्ञानी जैल सिंह
Okay.
and VV Giri and SD Sharma.
चलिए, you have answered Radhakrishnan, Gyani Zail Singh, VV Giri and SD Sharma. Let's see, is your answer correct or not correct? पूछते हैं मैजिक स्क्रीन से? चलिए, मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए क्या हमारा आंसर सही है या गलत? Oh, it is not the correct answer, Dona. Better luck next time. The correct answer is S. Radhakrishnan, then V.V. Giri, then Gyani Zail Singh and then S.D. Sharma. That is the correct chronological order. चलिए, ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Your next question is, who won men's singles US Open Grand Slam 2023? A. Daniil Medvedev, B. Again Dona who pressed the buzzer first, B. Rafael Nadal, C. Roger Federer and D. Novak Djokovic.
So this is Novak Djokovic.
Novak Djokovic.
So this is Novak Djokovic.
Novak Djokovic. Sure?
Yes.
मैजिक स्क्रीन से पूछेंगे फाइनली? चलिए मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए करेक्ट है डोना का आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं? इट इज द करेक्ट आंसर। सो डोना ने एक क्वेश्चन का सही उत्तर जो है वो दे दिया है। इट इज द करेक्ट आंसर। यस, रेस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स ट्राई टू ओपन योर अकाउंट। शुड आई आस्क द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
That's the spirit. Your spirit is really praiseworthy. Good. Your next question is: Bokaro Steel Plant in Jharkhand was built with the assistance of which country? A. Germany, B. Russia, C. Britain, D. USA. Yes. Just correct this time.
Germany.
Germany. श्योर हो?
Yes, sir.
चेंज कर सकते हो ऑप्शन, इतनी जो है आपको चॉइस है। यू कैन चेंज योर ऑप्शन। यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, यूएसए। लेट्स आस्क आवर मैजिक स्क्रीन, इज जसकरण's आंसर करेक्ट और नॉट करेक्ट? यस मैजिक स्क्रीन। Oh, Jaskaran, this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is Russia. Correct answer is Russia. It was built in 1964. ठीक है? Your fourth question is: Giorgia Meloni is the Prime Minister of which country? A. France, B. Germany, C. Switzerland or D. Italy. Yes, Dona.
This is Italy.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Obviously.
कहाँ पर देखी है?
Sir, अभी G20 में भी आए थे।
ओके लेट्स सी, लेट्स कास्ट आवर मैजिक स्क्रीन कि सही आंसर है या नहीं। जी मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए। इट इज द करेक्ट आंसर। सो डोना हैज गिवन 2 करेक्ट आंसर्स। वेल डन डोना। कम ऑन contestants, ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Your fifth question is: Garuda Airlines is a national airlines of Indonesia, Cambodia, Mauritius or Fiji. Again, Dona.
So this is from Indonesia.
Garuda, Indonesia. Let's ask our Magic Screen. Magic Screen ji, kindly tell us whether Dona's answer is correct or not correct. It is the correct answer. It is Garuda Indonesian Airlines. Your answer is correct. You have given 3 correct answers. Now you will not participate further. You have been selected for the silver chair round. ठीक है? Dona is not going to participate. You will get the chance to press the buzzer only when the question pops up on the screen. So Dona has been selected for the silver chair round. She will not participate further. Now 7 candidates are left. Out of 7, 2 will be selected. So how are you all feeling? Are you a bit nervous now? Chalo, let's see who will be our 2 candidates for the silver chair round. Your next question is: Who was known as Flying Sikh? A. Dara Singh, B. Milkha Singh, C. Targat Singh or D. Balbir Singh Senior. Yes, who is this? Yash.
It's Milkha Singh.
Yes, Milkha Singh.
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
मैजिक स्क्रीन से फाइनली पूछ ले कि चेंज करना है आंसर?
No, sir.
पूछ लें। चलिए मैजिक स्क्रीन जी, टेल अस वेदर इट्स द करेक्ट आंसर और नॉट। मिल्खा सिंह इज द करेक्ट आंसर। वेरी वेल आंसर यश। मिल्खा सिंह was called a flying Sikh by none other than Pakistan's former president Ayub Khan. Now Dona has given 3 correct answers. She has already been selected for the silver chair round. Yash has given 1 correct answer. Rest of the contestants, come on, buck up! Should I ask the next question?
Yes, sir.
Your next question is: be quick with the buzzer. How much reservation has been prescribed for women in the Women Reservation 128 Amendment Bill 2023? A 44%, B 33%, C 22% or D 11%? Yes, it is Sanchit. Sanchit. Yes, Sanchit.
33%.
33%. 33%. चलिए मैजिक स्क्रीन से पूछते हैं 33% करेक्ट आंसर है या नहीं? It is the correct answer, Sanchit. It is in fact 33%. So Sanchit and Yash, you both have given one correct answers. So candidates, if either of them, Sanchit or Yash, give one more correct answer, they will automatically be selected for the silver chair round. 5 candidates, they have not given any answer. So buck up, this is your last chance. Shall I ask the next question? Your next question is, who defeated Muhammad Ghori in the first battle of Tarain in 1191 AD? A. Prithviraj Chauhan, B. Jayachandra, C. Bhima II, or is it D. Jaipal? Just Karan, yes.
Prithviraj Chauhan.
पृथ्वीराज चौहान. पृथ्वीराज चौहान चेंज करना है पक्का? देख लो, लास्ट चांस है. ये गलत हो गया तो आउट. यश और संचित ऑटोमेटिकली सिलेक्ट हो जाएगी. डोना तो हो ही चुकी है. Judge साहब, how much right would you like to give him more?
Sir, Jayachandra.
जयचंद्र. जज साहब ने दिया हुआ टाइम कंप्लीट हो गया है. तो जयचंद्र श्योर. चलिए मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए सही उत्तर है या नहीं? Jaskaran, I am afraid it was Prithviraj Chauhan. Why did you get confused? It was Prithviraj Chauhan. So that was just a bad luck. You had the knowledge. Only the first step and already all of them have started showing their brains. So our 3 candidates for the silver chair round have been selected. They are candidate number 3, Dona Kapoor. Big round of applause for Dona Kapoor. Then candidate number 6, Sanchit. Big round of applause for Sanchit. And the last one, candidate number 7, Yash. Big round of applause for Yash. Well played everyone. आप सभी ने बहुत अच्छा खेला. Our 3 candidates for silver chair round: Sanchit from DAV Collegiate School, Dona from DAV College Hoshiarpur, and Yash from Chaudhary Balbir Public School. So Sanchit, how are you feeling?
वेरी गुड सर, बढ़िया लग रहा है. क्वेश्चन का जवाब देके अब सिल्वर राउंड में
Okay.
गोल्डन में जाना चाहूँगा.
What is your hobby?
मेरी हॉबी सर बैडमिंटन.
बैडमिंटन खेलना. चलिए हमारे पास स्पोर्ट्स के क्वेश्चन भी है. Dona from DAV College Hoshiarpur. So which is your favorite subject?
Polity and history.
Political science. Good. And what is your aim in life? Civil servant. That's great. We need more civil servants from Hoshiarpur. Very good. Good luck. And now Yash from Chaudhary Balbir Public School. Which is your favorite subject?
सर माय फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट इज अकाउंट्स.
Accounts. Very good. Very good. So contestants, good luck for the silver chair round. Shall we begin? You all are ready? In the first part of silver chair round, you will have to unlock your knowledge at the speed of thought, because our first round is rapid fire round. And first let's have a look at the rules of rapid fire round. 5 questions will be asked to every contestant. Each contestant will get only 35 seconds to answer the question. 10 points will be awarded for every correct answer. There is no negative marking in this round. Fine? So are you ready now?
Yes sir.
Ready?
Yes.
35 seconds, 5 questions. If you don't know the answer of any question, you can say pass. ठीक है? Then after I ask all the 5 questions, I will get back to that question then. ठीक है? Contestant number 1, your time starts now. How many schedules are there in Indian Constitution?
Pass.
Area wise, which is the largest state of India? Come on, clock is ticking.
उत्तर प्रदेश.
Himalayan and Mahayan are the sects of which religion?
Pass.
National Sports Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of whom?
Pass.
Ukraine was the part of Soviet Union. True or false?
True.
I asked a question before the completion of times. So let's see how many answers did you get correct. You got only one answer correct. The last one, Ukraine was the part of Soviet Union. Yes, it is true. 10 points for Sanchit. Now I'll give the correct answers. How many schedules are there in Indian Constitution? 12. Area wise, which is the largest state of India? Rajasthan, with an area of 3,42,239 square kilometer. Then the second number comes MP, then Maharashtra, and then UP. Himalayan and Mahayan, they are the sects of Buddhism. National Sports Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey wizard, hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand ji. He was born on 29th of August 1905 at Prayagraj. Ukraine was earlier the part of Soviet Union. You are correct. So 10 points for Sanchit after his rapid fire round. Now Dona, how confident are you in this round?
I will get at least 30 to 40.
You are confident of getting 30 to 40 points. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Let's see whether Dona gets 30 or 40 points or not. Ready, Dona? Your time starts now. When was Indian Constitution adopted?
So 1949.
Exact date.
26th of November 1949.
Which state of India was divided into 2 UTs in 2019?
Repeat.
Which state of India was divided into 2 union territories?
Jammu and
in
Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir. Shvetambara and Digambara are the sects of which
Jainism.
religion? National Youth Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of whom?
Skip.
USA purchased Alaska from Canada in 19th century. True or false?
Yes. No, false.
False. National Youth Day is celebrated to commemorate. Dona, so what do you think? Whether you have scored 40 or 30 or 40 points or not?
So mostly 30, I think.
You think 30.
So yes.
But you will be happy to know that you have scored 40 points in this round. Well done. Big round of applause for Dona. 40 points for Dona in the rapid fire round. When was Indian Constitution adopted? 26th of November 1949. Which state of India was carved out into 2 UTs in 2019? That was J&K. Shvetambara and Digambara are the sects of Jainism. National Youth Day celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda ji, who was born on 12th of January 1863 at Calcutta. USA purchased Alaska not from Canada but from Russia at a price of $7.2 million on 30th of March 1867. So, last candidate, Yash. How are you feeling?
Very nervous.
Very nervous.
Yes.
You need not be nervous. Are you confident?
Almost.
Sanchit is at 10 points, Dona at 40. And what do you think for yourself?
Approx 20 to 30 points.
20 to 30. Try to get 50. Should I start?
Yes, sir.
Yash, your time starts now.
Yes, sir.
Who was the president of Constituent Assembly that framed the Constitution of India?
Skip.
The state of Uttarakhand was carved out from which parent state?
Skip.
Who was the first Sikh Guru to be martyred by the Mughals?
Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Gobind Singh.
National Voters Day is celebrated to mark the foundation of which institution of Government of India?
BJP.
Singapore was earlier a colony of Great Britain. True or false?
False.
What do you think, Yash?
Nothing.
I'm afraid you are not given a single correct answer, but don't lose heart. You will have chances in the next rounds. Okay? Who was the president of Constituent Assembly that framed the Constitution of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The state of Uttarakhand was carved out from the parent state of Uttar Pradesh on 9th of November year 2000. It was the 27th state of India. Who was the first Sikh Guru to be martyred? That was Guru Arjan Dev Ji in 1606 AD. National Voters Day is celebrated on 25th of January every year to mark the foundation of Election Commission of India in 1950. Singapore was indeed a colony of Great Britain. It gained independence from Great Britain in 1963. Then for a brief period it became part of Malaysia. Again from Malaysia it got separated in 1965. सिंगापुर पहले मलेशिया का पार्ट बना था, फिर 65 में मलेशिया से भी अलग हो गया. So at the end of our rapid fire round we have Sanchit at 10 points, Dona at 40 points, and Yash is still to open his account. So candidates ready for the next round? Napoleon Bonaparte once said, "Nothing is more difficult and therefore more precious than to be able to decide." I just wish all the contestants here will decide wisely in the next round, because that is certainly going to fetch them some precious points. Our next round is categories round. And first of all, let's have a glance at the rules of categories round. Participant with the lowest score will get to choose first when we move from lowest to highest. There will be 5 categories. Each participant will have to choose one category and question will then be asked from that category. 10 points will be awarded for the correct answer and 5 points will be deducted if the answer is wrong. A lifeline will be given in this round. A participant can ask other participants who are not qualified for the silver chair round. They can ask those participants about the answer. 5 points will be awarded for the correct answer and 5 will be deducted if the answer is wrong. Understood? A question will pass on to the next contestant if the contestant to whom the question has been asked is not able to answer or gives the wrong answer. ठीक है? Ready? So first chance for Yash. Yash, ready?
Yes, sir.
Which category would you like to choose? Mythology, literature, current affairs, taglines or science?
Science?
Science. Sure?
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes.
Your question from science is: ethane-thiol or ethyl mercaptan is a clear liquid with distinct odor. Although it is a volatile liquid, it has a particular use familiar to us and saves many lives. Where would most of us have smelled this liquid's odor? Ethyl mercaptan. Where would most of us have smelled this odor? Yes, yes. Come on. Think. कहीं ना कहीं you must have heard about this ethyl mercaptan somewhere.
In labs?
Labs. This thing is present in almost every household of India.
House.
Think hard.
House.
क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में?
एक्चुअली मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा कि क्वेश्चंस का जवाब क्या दे रहे हैं उसमें आपने बोला कि मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव स्मेल्ड दिस लिक्विड वाटर वेयर
Where? That's what I'm asking now. Where?
House? Houses?
Exact. Where is this compound used? I'm asking
Washroom.
where is this compound used?
Washrooms?
Washroom. Final.
Yes.
वॉशरूम चलिए मैजिक स्क्रीन से फिर फाइनली पूछे जी मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए क्या ये सही जवाब है या नहीं लेट्स सी नो यश दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर द क्वेश्चन पासिस ऑन टू संचित नाउ लाइफ लाइन भी यूज कर सकते हो संचित क्वेश्चन पासिस ऑन टू संचित नाउ संचित
No idea, sir.
लाइफ में यूज कर लीजिए करनी है तो है अवेलेबल
Use.
you would like to
Negative marking?
yeah you there is negative marking in case of lifeline also -5 if you have take the help of lifeline and that answer gets if that answer is wrong or you would just like to pass that question to Dona Bas
I don't know.
Dona think that thing is of very common use you all will be surprised to listen to the answer the correct answer is LPG cylinders that odor when a cylinder is leaked na that odor that smell is of ethyl mercaptan only simple tha now the next question for Sanchit ready
yes sir
which category would you like to choose you have four categories left mythology literature current affairs and taglines
Current affairs.
current affairs sure पढ़ते रहते हो
Yes, sir.
शौक है न्यूज़पेपर का चलिए देखते हैं कि आप कितनी अच्छी तरह से न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं योर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम करंट अफेयर्स इज 108 feet long statue of Adi Shankara has been unveiled in which city recently 108 feet long statue of Adi Shankara has been unveiled in which city recently? Yes, it was in news recently. Okay, I will just give you a hint. That place is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. Come on, think hard. You will be able to answer.
I think it's a guess, but
Yes. Who knows? Your guess is correct. Come on. जयपुर मैजिक स्क्रीन से पूछे फाइनली यस मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए कि क्या संचित का आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं ओह संचित आई एम अफ्रेड दैट इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन passes on to Yash now. Yes, Yash.
हरिद्वार सर. Hariद्वार. Sure? Yes, sir.
No. Yes, that is also not the correct answer. Question passes on to Donna now.
किसी को पता
No,
Okay.
you can't take the lifelines because that is not your original question, no?
Okay, so I won't go with this. I knew मैंने पढ़ा था but
You forgot it, huh? You are not able to recall.
yes.
The correct answer is Omkareshwar in Madhya Pradesh. It has just been unveiled recently. Read it now? चलिए. Now the last question of categories round for Donna. Donna, which category would you like to choose? Yes, yes, be quick. You have only 3 categories left: mythology, literature, and taglines.
I would like to go with
Yes, yes.
some mythology.
Mythology. Sure? Think you can change your decision. Mythology.
Literature.
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 Okay, okay. So do you study literature?
So yes.
Okay. Let's see how much have you studied till now. Your question from literature is: which famous dramatist was known as Bard of Avon? Yes, Bard of Avon. Which famous dramatist? He is a very, very well-known dramatist.
So negative. Negative.
Yeah, there you will get -5 if your answer is wrong.
I would like to skip this.
Think hard. Think hard.
So then I know one, but I'm not sure.
You can guess. You have enough points in the first round.
But I don't want to lose them.
You don't want to lose them.
No.
Bard of Avon. Bard of Avon.
Skip.
You would like to pass the question?
Yes.
You can take the lifeline if you want.
So
So question passes on to Yash now.
हाँ सर.
Sanchit. Bard of Avon, William Shakespeare. The correct answer is William Shakespeare, born in 1564 at Stratford on Avon, Warwickshire, England. Huh? You knew this? Then you should have
I had doubt actually when it said na dramatist,
Huh.
so I knew that was Shakespeare, but I still had doubt.
you should have taken the risk. It would have fetched you 10 points. Chalo. So nobody has scored a single point in the category round. So at the end of 2 rounds, we have Donna at 40 points, Sanchit at 10 points, and Yash is still to open his account. Tim Cook once said, "You don't have to be fast, you just have to be first." So, in the next round, the one who presses the buzzer first and gives the correct answer will fetch maximum points, because our next round is buzzer round. So, candidates, contestants, are you ready for the buzzer round? Because this is your last chance to get selected for the golden chair round, for which you will get cash prizes also. So ready for the buzzer round?
Yes, sir.
First, let's have a look at the rules of our buzzer round. 6 questions will be asked in this round. The contestant pressing the buzzer first will get the chance to answer the question. 10 points will be awarded for the correct answer and 5 will be deducted for the wrong answer. In case of wrong answer, the question will pass on to the next candidates and 5 will be awarded if that candidate gives the correct answer, but no point will be deducted of that candidate. Understood? Shall we begin? Yes. Contestants. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Hands near your buzzers and let's see who is the quickest one and the most accurate one in the buzzer round. Your first question from buzzer round is: which is the second highest national award given for exceptional and distinguished service in any field in India? Second highest national award given for exceptional and distinguished service in any field in India. Yes, yes, yes. You must have heard this award. Definitely, I am confident of this. Who has pressed the buzzer? Dona. Yes.
Negative marking. So negative marking, sir.
Yes, -5 if you get it wrong.
Second highest.
Come on. You knew the answer in the last round also. Yes, sir. How much time would you like to give her?
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
So Padam Bhushan.
Padam?
Bhushan.
Vibhushan or Bhushan? What did you say? Padam?
Padam Vibhushan.
Vibhushan.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes. No, sir. Padam Bhushan.
Padam Bhushan.
Yes.
You can change. Don't get confused. The next answer will be considered the final answer.
It would be Padam Vibhushan.
Padam Vibhushan. Shall we ask the magic screen?
Yes, sir.
Magic screen. Is the answer correct or not? It is the correct answer. You were confused between Padam Vibhushan or Padam Bhushan, but in the end, you gave the correct answer. So 10 points for Dona. Very well answered, Dona. Big round of applause for Dona. 10 points. So, that was terrific. Ready for the next question, contestants? Sanchit, Yash, come on. Last chance, last round to catch up with Dona. Last round to get selected for the golden chair round. Your next question is: who is known as father of Indian cinema? Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Again, Dona. Yes, Dona.
So Falke. Govind Falke.
Huh?
Govind Falke.
Govind Falke.
Yes, sir.
Should we ask the magic screen?
Yes, sir.
Final?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Final.
यस मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए क्या ये आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं? ओह डोना, आई एम अफ्रेड दैट योर आंसर वाज रॉन्ग. You are very close to giving the correct answer. The question passes on to Yash now. You will get 5 points, Yash, if you give the correct answer. Come on, think. Sanchit,
So no negative marking.
there's no negative marking for you. -5 for Dona.
I think so.
Yes, I want the full name. She was very close to answering the question.
Dada Sahib Phalke, like this.
Dada Sahib Phalke, let's ask our magic screen. It is the correct answer. Dada Sahib Phalke is known as father of Indian cinema. You gave the correct answer. Very well played, Sanchit. 5 points for Sanchit. Very well played. Dada Sahib Phalke, he made the first Indian film Raja Harish Chandra in 1913. So he made 95 feature films and 27 short films in his career of 19 years. Very well played. So 5 points for Sanchit. Sanchit, now feeling confident?
Yes.
Do you think you will be able to answer the next question?
Yes.
Let's see. Be quick and be accurate. Your next question is expand www. Sanchit.
इधर से लैंग्वेजेस वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब
World Wide Web. Let's ask our magic screen finally. Magic screen से
यस सर
magic screen जी बताइए. It is the correct answer. 10 points for Sanjay. Big round of applause for Sanjay. That was terrific, Sanjay. That was tremendous. Very well answered. www World Wide Web. Very good. So 10 points for Sanchit. Contestants Yash, Dona, Sanchit is surging ahead in this round. Ready? Your next question is Eiffel Tower is an important monument located in which city? Yes, Sanchit.
पेरिस
Paris. चेंज कर सकते हो.
नहीं सर पेरिस ही मैं तो पेरिस ही सुन रहा हूँ पेरिस ही है
गलत हुआ तो -5. सही हुआ तो 10 पॉइंट्स. अगर गलत हुआ तो -5 हो जाएंगे. संचित सोच लीजिए.
पेरिस आई डोंट नो
पूछिए मैजिक स्क्रीन से कि नहीं.
पूछिए
फाइनली पेरिस. चलिए मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए सही उत्तर है या नहीं. It is the correct answer. 10 points for Sanchit. Big round of applause. So Eiffel Tower is indeed in Paris. It was built in 1889 by Gustave Eiffel to mark the 100 years of French Revolution. It is 1083 feet tall. It is 1083 feet tall and approximately 7 million visitors visit this place. So, ready for the next question? Sanchit, you have answered, I think, all the questions except one. The one Dona answered the one question, but you have answered all the questions in this round. So we are having a very close contest between Dona and Sanchit. Dona and Sanchit. Yash, come on. Come on. देखते हैं गोल्डन चेयर के लिए who gets selected. A very close contest. Your next question is identify the famous personality. Yes, Dona. Identify this famous personality. You have read this, definitely. You must have read about this personality a lot. A very well-renowned personality of 19th century.
He is Jyotiba Phule.
Jyotiba Phule. You will get -5 if your answer is wrong. -5.
सर लाइफलाइन ले सकते हैं?
No. You cannot take it. You must have read about him.
ज्योतिबा फुले.
-5 if wrong, 10 if correct.
ज्योतिबा फुले.
Should we ask magic screen? Final answer?
I'm confused. Full photo. स्वामी विवेकानंद. ज्योतिबा फुले.
Yes, मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए सही उत्तर है या नहीं. Oh, Donna, -5 for you. It is not the correct answer. Question passes on to Yash now.
Dayanand Saraswati.
Swami Dayanand Saraswati is the correct answer. 5 points for Yash. Very well answered, Yash. Donna, you are studying in DAV college. You should have answered this question.
Face is not clear that
Yes.
much, so मैं उसको नहीं मैं features so जब मैं features वो recognize करती ना
But,
वो उसने कर लिया.
जो यश है वो आपसे आगे बैठा है. He was able to recognize.
सब मेरा मतलब basically मेरे को
No problem.
I also face this difficulty to recognizing.
But you gave the correct answer.
No difficulty, simple answer question है. देख के पता चल जाता है.
Did you know the answer?
Yes sir.
Oh, good. But you are bit late in pressing the buzzer. No issues. Let's see who presses the buzzer in the next question. Should I ask the next question? Ready? Hands on your buzzer. Your next question is you will hear a voice. You will identify. You have to identify the personality from the voice. Okay? Your question is.
हम सबों को हिम्मत दिखानी है, दृढ़ता दिखानी है, एकता दिखानी है और इस चुनौती का सामना जोरों से करना है. मुझे ज़रा भी संदेह नहीं है कि विजयी भारत की जनता की, भारत की बहादुर सेना की होगी. हम सबों को एक होके इस समय खड़े रहना है. जय हिंद.
Yes, Donna.
सर शी इज़ इंदिरा गांधी. जब उन्होंने इमरजेंसी अनाउंस किया था तो नेशनल इमरजेंसी के टाइम स्पीच दी थी.
इंदिरा गांधी. कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हो आप?
सर आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट.
यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट.
यस
-5
सर.
याद है ना?
यस सर.
फाइनली पूछ ले कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन से.
Yes, sir.
मैजिक स्क्रीन से पूछ ले.
यस सर.
संचित, what do you think? Is her answer correct?
Yes.
Let's ask our मैजिक स्क्रीन. मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए कि आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं. डोना, your answer is correct. 10 points for Donna. A big round of applause for her. It was a speech given by the former Prime Minister of India, Mrs. Indira Gandhi ji. Very well played. So that was wonderful to have such fun and excitement in the last round. A quick overview of what happened till now. We have at first position Donna Kapoor with 50 points. At second position Sanchit with 35 points. That was such a close contest between Donna and Sanchit. Very well played both of you. And Yash at 5 points. Better luck next time. Better luck next time, Yash. I know you knew many of the answers, but it happens in the quiz. So, Donna will continue in the next round and will have to bid farewell to Sanchit and Yash. Well done. Your efforts are really praiseworthy. An elimination cannot mark your merit. You are much better than that. Now let's move on to our next round, which is much anticipated golden chair round. So congratulations to Donna. who has made it till the end quite patiently and determined.
Thank you, sir.
How are you feeling?
I'm a bit nervous.
Nervous? Why? You gave some brilliant answer, terrific answer, some tremendous answers. Why are you nervous now?
Sir, I don't understand why. No.
So our maximum cash prize in the next golden chair round will be of rupees 5100. How much would you like to win?
So 5100 on.
5100. That's the confidence. Really praiseworthy. And you earlier said you want to become a civil servant.
Yes, sir.
And why do you want to become a civil servant?
So because I want to abide by the subjects I'm learning, because पहले मेरा इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, but once I came into the subjects I believed कि मैं अगर किसी और सब्जेक्ट में जाऊंगी तो I want to be able to make my career better than that.
Okay.
So
And who's your
even I
goal?
have a spirit of serving also.
Okay, that's good, that's good. So shall we start with the golden chair round?
Yes, sir.
Let's have a look at the rules of golden chair round. 5 questions will be asked. Contestant will get the chance to answer all the 5 questions. Contestant will get the cash prize accordingly. 1 correct answer, rupees 1100. 2 correct answer, 2100. 3 correct answers, 3100. 4 correct answers, 4100, and 5 correct answers with 5100, which you aspire to win. Nothing will be deducted if the answer is wrong, and there is no time limit in answering the question. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, shall I begin
Yes, sir.
with the golden chair round? Good luck for the golden chair round. Your first question is: Kathak is one of the classical dances of India. It is native to which state of India? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Kerala, C. Uttar Pradesh, and D. Tamil Nadu. 1100 if you get this answer correct. है डांस में इंटरेस्ट?
Yes, sir. I'm even checking the other ones. वैसे इतना तमिलनाडु केरला.
सुना है कथक के
Yes,
बारे
sir.
में?
Of course. Sir, it's Kerala.
It is Kerala.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. आप श्योर हो?
Yes, sir.
कहीं किसी डांस से कंफ्यूज तो नहीं हो रहे?
So yes.
हो रहे हो?
Kathakali से
कौन से डांस से कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो?
कथकली.
कथकली, कथक और कथकली में कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो.
हाँ जी सर.
1100 जीत सकते हो. गलत होगा. ये नहीं कि हम आपसे लेंगे पर आपको यू विल लूज द चांस टू विन 5100. कथक और कथकली. कम ऑन थिंक.
So this is Kerala only.
केरला ओनली. पक्का?
Yes, sir.
मैजिक स्क्रीन से पूछे
Yes, sir.
फाइनली.
Yes, sir.
जी मैजिक स्क्रीन बताइए कि ये करेक्ट आंसर है या नहीं. It is not the correct
So it's
answer.
Tamil Nadu. Then Tamil Nadu.
तमिलनाडु भी नहीं. It is उत्तर प्रदेश. It is उत्तर प्रदेश. The word is derived from Kathikas, who were storytellers. Storytellers who told stories about epics, myths. Kathakali is a dance of Kerala. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam, they are dances of Kerala. Kuchipudi is a classic
Andhra
dance
Pradesh.
belongs to state of Andhra Pradesh. And Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu.
So मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई थी, मैंने पढ़े थे बट
Confusion होगी.
Yes.
Yeah, you were confusing Kathak and Kathakali.
Yes, sir.
Almost similar सा नाम है. Kathakali केरला का है.
यस.
So no worries. Good luck for the next question. Should I ask?
यस सर.
Your next question is: Who amongst the following is considered the first man to scale Mount Everest? A. Neil Armstrong, B. Yuri Gagarin, C. Valentina Tereshkova, or is it D. Tenzing Norgay? Yes. First man to scale Mount Everest. Think.
Tenzing
Tenzing Norgay.
Tenzing Norgay, I guess without oxygen किया था और
I'm just asking the first man. I'm not asking the is it with oxygen or without oxygen. कहीं ना कहीं सुना होगा, पढ़ा होगा.
सब मैंने पढ़ा है, मैं कंफ्यूज
Think. Try to recall. Come on, you can give the correct answer. Try to recall. Put some pressure on your brain.
So this is Tenzing Norgay.
Tenzing Norgay.
Yes sir.
You want to win 1100 after answering this? पूछिए मैजिक स्क्रीन से
Sorry.
क्वेश्चन. पूछिए मैजिक स्क्रीन से फाइनली. Have you been able to recall or is it your gut feeling?
Sir, I'm not able to recall actually. I'm confused.
Do you want to go with Tenzing Norgay?
Yes sir.
चलिए मैजिक स्क्रीन जी हमें बताइए टेंजिंग नॉर्गे करेक्ट आंसर है या नहीं. इट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 1100 rupees for Donna. Judge Sai will hand over rupees 1100 to Donna now. Congratulations Donna on winning 1100 rupees. Tenzing Norgay along with Edmund Hillary scaled Mount Everest on 29th of May 1953. Neil Armstrong the first man on moon. Yuri Gagarin the first man in space. Valentina Tereshkova the first woman in space.
Space का मैं यूरी जब मैंने पढ़े थे मतलब काफी टाइम पहले तो
Confusion थी.
Even first वाला
But you went with your gut feeling. Good. So 1100 जीत चुके हैं आप. अगले क्वेश्चन के लिए रेडी?
Yes sir.
But first we have something for our audience also. Audience, नेशनल बेकरी सेशन चौक द्वारा स्पॉन्सर्ड ये गिफ्ट हैम्पर है. आई विल आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. इफ यू गिव द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन यू विल विन दिस गिफ्ट हैम्पर. ठीक है. जज साहब विल गिव यू दिस गिफ्ट हैम्पर इफ यू आंसर द क्वेश्चन करेक्ट. देखते हैं किसको मिलता है ये गिफ्ट हैम्पर. ठीक है ऑडियंस. Shall I ask? Just raise your hand. ठीक है. Just how will you decide? Ready? What is the capital of Egypt? What is the capital of Egypt? No? So I'll ask one more question. Yes.
Romania.
I'm afraid it is not the correct
Sir,
answer.
I want to give the answer. I
Huh?
want to give the answer.
No, you can't give it. You are on golden chair. This is for audience. You want to take gift hamper also.
Also to give number simply.
ऐसे बोलो. I'll ask one more question. Listen to the question carefully. You will be able to answer. But let's see who gives the answer first. Seventh. How many toes are needed to write 22,222? How many? Yes, what's your name? Sit. What's your name? Livanshu, yes.
3.
3 is not the correct answer. What's your name, beta?
Sir, Jaskaran.
Huh?
Jaskaran.
Jaskaran, yes.
Sir,
22,222. How many? Five is the correct answer. 5 is the correct answer. Congratulations, Jaskaran. The National Bakery Sessions of Hoshiarpur has sponsored this gift hamper for you. Please come here and receive the gift hamper from Judge Sahib. Congratulations, very well answered. Congratulations. 22,222 5 twos. Very well answered, Jaskaran. Now, Dona, ready for the third question?
So yes.
If you give the correct answer, you will win 2,100. Confident हो गए?
So a bit nervous.
Nervous क्यों? You are playing very well. You played in a tremendous way today. No need to get nervous. Come on, have some confidence. You are very knowledgeable. Let's see. Your third question is: who was the first Indian from independent India to win an individual medal in Olympics? Who was the first Indian from independent India to win an individual medal in Olympics? A. K.D. Jadhav, B. Leander Pace, C. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod, or is it D. Abhinav Bindra?
So it's Abhinav Bindra.
Abhinav Bindra. देखो किसी ने पहले तो नहीं जीता, सोचो। 2,100 rupees if you give the correct answer. Come on, think. स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं।
So but
कभी नहीं खेली कोई गेम?
So स्कूल टाइम पे वैसे नॉर्मली खेलते थे। So it's Abhinav Bindra.
You will go with Abhinav Bindra.
Yes sir.
चेंज कर सकते हो। फाइनल? चलिए मैजिक स्क्रीन से पूछते हैं कि आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं।
Sir, want to change?
नो यू कांट चेंज नाउ। अब तो मैजिक स्क्रीन ने लॉक कर दिया। मैजिक स्क्रीन बताएगी इट इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर। इट इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर।
Sir, JD.
Yes, that was the correct
I
answer.
was about to say this.
K.D. Jadhav is the correct answer. Won Olympics bronze medal at 1952 Helsinki Olympics in Finland. In wrestling. You were confused between K.D. Jadhav and Abhinav Bindra?
Sir, मैंने दोनों ही मतलब मेरे को खाना पड़ा हुआ है कभी।
Okay. No worries. You can still win 3,100 rupees if you give the correct answers of next two questions. Shall I ask the next question?
Yes sir.
Are you interested in defense matters? Because our next question is from defense.
So I'm not interested in defense.
But the next question. Your next question is: Punjab Regiment is one of the oldest regiments of Indian Army. They are probably the only infantry in the world to adopt such a unique design for their badge. The badge that would be expected to be used by other branches of the military show their readiness to serve overseas. What is the design? Number A, or B, ship, C, water waves, or is it D, sailboat? Read the question carefully. You will be unable to answer. There is a clue in this question. Come on, Mona. Use your intuition. Use your analytical skills. You will be able to answer this question with your analytical skills. Read the question again.
So I would go with sword.
Sword.
Yes.
That shows their readiness to serve overseas.
Yes.
Sword. Final?
Yes, sir.
You will not be able to change the answer afterwards.
Sword.
Shall we ask Magic Screen?
Yes, sir.
Magic Screen, kindly tell us, is it the correct answer or not? Donna has given the answer sword. No, Donna, this is not the correct answer. There was a clue that shows the readiness to serve overseas. You have to cross oceans in order to serve overseas. The correct answer is ship. Ship, yes, that is the badge of Punjab Regiment of India. Ship. So, Donna, ready for the last question? You have won 1100 till now. So, क्या करोगे शाम को?
So books वगैरह के लिए mostly I'll save. For my
You will
books.
save. You like saving. You like saving.
Yes.
Good. One should save. Ready for the last question? But before that, we have one more question for our audience. Yes, audience. उसके लिए आपको गोल्डन चेयर पर आना पड़ता. गोल्डन चेयर पर आते तो आपको पूछा जाना था. Good, good, good. चलिए, you have a chance now to give the correct answer. You have a chance to win the gift hamper. Jassav has that gift hamper in his hands. It is sponsored by National Factory, Session Shop, Hoshiarpur. Yes, our audience, colorful audience. Ready for the question? Your question is, which color occupies 97.63% of area on the flag of China? 97.6%. Jaskaran was the first one to raise the hand.
Sir, red.
Red. Sure?
Yes, sir.
दोनों गिफ्ट हैम्पर लेकर जाने हैं? आपको आता था बेटा? What's your name? दिवांशु. क्या आंसर है? रेड ही आंसर. पर उसने हैंड रेस जल्दी कर दिया था. पैनिक नहीं होना. You got to have the nerves of steel. जसकरण देखते हैं, बताऊं गिफ्ट
Yes.
हैम्पर जीता का नहीं जीता का, बाकी किसी और को चांस मिलेगा. Jaskaran has won 2 gift hampers sponsored by National Factory, Session Shop, Hoshiarpur. Big round of applause for Jaskaran.
Thank you.
Jaskaran, इतना कुछ खाना है आज? फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना है कि नहीं?
Thank you, sir.
कंग्रेचुलेशंस जसकरण, दो गिफ्ट हैम्पर्स, बाकी भी ले लेना. गुड, वेरी वेल प्लेड. नाउ डोना, want to win 2100?
Yes, sir.
Confident of answering the next answer question?
Yes, sir.
Shall I ask?
Yes, sir.
Your next question is, what is the shape of new parliament building of India? A. Rectangular, B. Triangular, C. Octagonal, or is D. Square?
This is triangular.
You want to go with triangular?
Yes, sir.
Final?
Yes, sir.
You don't want to change? Shall we ask for magic screen? Yes, magic screen. Tell us the correct answer, please. Let's see. Is your answer correct or not? It is the correct answer. 2100 rupees for Dona. Our judge Sai for today's contest will hand over 2100 rupees to Dona now. Congratulations, very well played, Dona. Big round of applause for Dona. Very well played, Dona. Now, how are you feeling? Won't you like to spend some money?
So yes, I will, but half I'll save, half I'll.
Okay, how would you like to spend the half?
So first I'll get some treat for my parents and my family.
Oh,
Then
that's great.
The half will be for the saving in books and all, and the half.
Okay, good, good. Very well played. Very well answered. You gave some terrific answers, Dona, today. Congratulations. So, we all have reached the end of today's journey. It was great to share so much time with such young talents who will be the future of our great nation Bharat. I wish them good luck. Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts." On this note, let's call it a day. Thank you. Shall we conclude today's contest?